Russell here for mining.com.au. Joining me today is Ivan Fairhall, the Managing Director of Pivotal Metals. Ivan, great to see you again. How are you?
I'm great, Shay. Thanks for having me on.
Let's start where we left off with 2024 for your Horden Lake Project out in Canada. Mate, what did you achieve in the last 3 months of 2024?
Well, Shay, we've been really active up on our project. We started the quarter with the releasing the assays from the final holes of our 2024 program. We're showing those holes extended the mineralisation in the north, where we had a gap in drilling, and reflecting on that program, it really delivered on its objectives. We infilled missing byproduct assays, so we were able to domain all the metals across the resource. We stepped out, we extended the system and that resource envelope into those open areas where we sort of knew it was open, and this has allowed us to prove that the mineralisation continues. You might also recall we did a lot of downhole geophysics and an EM survey in the holes that we did, and that showed the system extend. So in the quarter just gone, we leveraged that understanding with an even more powerful EM survey, ground-based survey, and that's been designed to target areas deeper below Horden and outside of the boundary, such as along strike, and build out that bigger exploration vision. We also made a lot of progress on the metallurgical test work. The copper mineralisation is shown to be excellent, high recoveries in high-grade clean cons, and then we've been working on the nickel circuit. We worked in parallel with the resource update, and that'll get turned around as soon as the mate results are available. And down at our other projects, our BAGB projects, we've been doing real thorough target review, and we're pretty excited about what we're seeing down there and leveraging prior work on really one of the highest grade mineralising systems getting around. So we've been busy looking at the data and working up a strategy to move that project forward as well.
Hey, Ivan, we talk a lot, and here's a term I haven't heard before. This is the BAGB project. What's that?
So BAGB is an acronym for a collection of projects that we've got in the south of Quebec. It's called they're in the Belters Anglais greenstone belt. So us Aussies like to shorten things up. So it's BAGB, and it's a really exciting land package, large greenstone land package that we own 100% of.
I look forward to learning more about that one. But before we leave today, obviously you ended the year strong, and you're going to start the year strong because there's no rest for Canadian companies over the winter period. What does the first 3 months of 2025 look like for Pivotal Metals?
Well, there's a lot of results really coming. I sort of laid out a bunch of work that we've been busy with. And so we've got the results of that detailed EM survey, and that's helping us build out the large-scale exploration vision for the project. We've got those final MET results, so the full flow sheet helps us demonstrate the extractable value of this, really quite valuable metal mix that we've got there. And as I said, the resource update will follow that, where we incorporate all of that recent drilling. And there's more exploration to come on the projects. We've got $3 million cash at the end of the quarter, and lots of gas in the tank to be pushing those projects forward.
Listen, Ivan, it was fantastic to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks.